Here goes. Destined Rivals. Oh man, I've been after pulling that SIR, pulling that full art yesterday. That's crazy. So hopefully we get the same luck and we get a Giovanni's Mewtwo SIR. Yes. Hopefully one card from the back. Electric energy. I don't think we're going to get anything today, boys and girls. But I can't believe we pulled a full art. Yeah, nothing.